Number 1. 1988 Ford Ranger Super Cab, $1,800, Rio Rico, Arizona. A classic compact pickup from the late 1980s, this rear-wheel drive 1988 Ford Ranger features a 2.9-liter V6 engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission. It comes with a body lift, a 3-inch lift kit, and 16-inch wheels, making it ideal for off-road enthusiasts. However, the truck is currently non-running due to a missing fuel pump and line, and the catalytic converter was stolen. New parts include a master cylinder and ignition module. With a clean title and keys, this is a solid project vehicle at a very accessible price point. Number 2. 1986 Ford F-150, $2,000, Albuquerque, New Mexico. This 1986 Ford F-150 offers a rugged design with a 6-cylinder engine and 4-wheel drive. Although it has a clean title, it's being sold as is with no keys and a broken odometer. This yellow pickup was obtained through auction and is likely a storage lien sale. It could serve as a solid base for restoration or parts for a similar model. Number 3. 1989 Ford F350 Lariat XLT, $6,500, Newhall, California. A workhorse with luxury trim, this F350 Lariat XLT is equipped with the mighty 7.5-liter 460 V8 and rear-wheel drive. The truck has 132,000 miles and has undergone extensive mechanical refreshment, including a new catalytic converter, battery, shocks, tires, fuel pump, and much more. Though the AC needs service and the headliner and driver's seat require attention, the vehicle runs strong with a smog certificate and clean title in hand. Number 4. 1988 Ford F70 dump truck, $8,000, Maywood, Illinois. Rarely seen on the market, this Ford F70 medium-duty dump truck is a robust diesel-powered hauler with a manual transmission and a liftgate. With 160,416 miles, it is in good condition and ready for commercial or heavy-duty utility use. All dump bedsides open, making it a functional asset for contractors or farm use. Clean title included. Number 5. 1988 Toyota Pickup 4x4, $8,900, Ontario, Oregon. Heavily modified and clearly cherished, this lifted Toyota 4-wadded V6 pickup boasts Super Swamper tires, Aussie lockers, a full sound system, roll bar, upgraded exhaust, and many cosmetic upgrades. The interior has been redone and it comes with auxiliary wheels for shop work. Unfortunately, it has a blown head gasket, so it's being sold as is. A dream for a Toyota off-road enthusiast who can handle the repairs. Number 6. 1987 Dodge 250, $3,800, Beelan, New Mexico. This rear-wheel drive Dodge 250 features a 360 cubic inch V8 with a 4-speed manual. With only 65,737 miles, it's in good running condition with multiple recent upgrades, including a new electronic fuel pump, distributor, ECM, and carburetor. The 8-foot bed and clean interior make it a practical classic with a clean title. A solid, drivable work truck with restoration potential. Number 7, 1983 Toyota pickup, $5,500, San Francisco, California. A one-owner gem with just 36,000 original miles, this long-bed Toyota pickup is a time capsule. Featuring a 4-cylinder engine, automatic transmission, sunroof, and original interior, this vehicle is perfect for daily use or collector interest. It runs well and includes recent maintenance like new tires, battery, and a full tune-up. Clean title and paperwork in hand. Number 8, 1989 Ford F350 Lariat Crew Cab, $8,500, Seattle, Washington. This diesel-powered Ford F350 is a family-owned 4-body beast with a 7.3-liter engine and aftermarket turbo. Featuring a 5-speed manual with a new clutch, bucket seats, and zero rust, it is mechanically sound and road-ready. Dual tanks, new brakes, 2 fresh batteries, and functioning AC and cruise control make it an excellent hauler. Only minor cosmetic imperfections hold it back from being pristine. Number 9, 1977 Ford F100, $5,000, Cabot, Arkansas. Classic American styling with a 302 V8 and a 3-speed column shift manual. This F100 is in good running condition with new tires, battery, carburetor, starter solenoid, and more. Needs light cosmetic and glasswork, but overall very clean and reliable. Perfect for restoration or use as a daily vintage truck. Clean title included. Number 10, 1975 Chevrolet Cheyenne K10, $9,000, Santa Rosa, California. An off-road beast, this Chevrolet Cheyenne is equipped with a 4-inch frame and 3.5-inch body lift, 38-inch tires, rebuilt transmission and engine, and performance exhaust with Flowmasters and headers. The 670 CFM Holley carburetor and gear-driven transfer case with Dana 44 make it trail-ready. Interior needs work, including door glass and seat covers. A serious rig for the serious off-roader. Number 11, 1976 Chevrolet PU Truck 350, $8,777, Loon Lake, Washington. With only 71,621 original miles, this rust-free 2-wheel drive Chevrolet pickup is in excellent condition for its age. The 350 engine and manual transmission have been maintained with recent work, including a new clutch kit, valve cover gaskets, temperature sensor, and more. The iconic Chevy orange paint makes it a standout classic. Clean title and collector plates included.
Number 12, 1994 Chevrolet Cheyenne, $500, Las Vegas, Nevada. A true fixer-upper, this half-ton Cheyenne has a working 4.3-liter V6 engine, but a failed automatic transmission and no truck bed. With 105,722 miles, it could be a valuable parts donor or a restoration platform for a budget builder. Sold as is, where is, with a clean title.
Number 13, 1973 GMC 3/4 ton square body, $1,500, Albuquerque, New Mexico. A long bed classic with a 350 cubic inch V8 and 4-speed manual, this square body GMC has been sitting for a decade. The body is mixed with some good and some rough areas, and the title is present but not transferable. Still, it offers a 1-ton rear axle and decent interior, making it a worthwhile project for enthusiasts of 1970s GM trucks.